If you own a Toyota Hybrid, there's one mistake you should never make while parked. Thousands of hybrid owners unknowingly do it because they assume the large hybrid battery will keep everything powered while the vehicle is sitting still. Unfortunately, that's one of the biggest misconceptions about how Toyota's hybrid system operates. The mistake is leaving the vehicle in accessory mode instead of ready mode. When you press the power button without pressing the brake pedal, the radio, touchscreen, charging ports, interior lights, and other accessories all come to life. From the driver's seat, it feels as though the vehicle is fully on. However, the hybrid system itself hasn't started. This is where many owners get caught off guard. Every Toyota Hybrid has two separate batteries that serve very different purposes. The large high-voltage hybrid battery powers the electric motors and supports the hybrid drivetrain. The much smaller 12-volt battery powers the computers, locks, lighting, infotainment system, and the electronics required to start the hybrid system. While the vehicle remains in accessory mode, the high-voltage hybrid battery is not charging or supporting the 12-volt battery. Instead, every electrical accessory you're using is drawing power from the small 12-volt battery alone. Because many Toyota Hybrids use a relatively compact 12-volt battery, it can discharge faster than many owners expect if the vehicle stays in this mode for too long. The result can be a completely drained 12-volt battery, warning lights on the dashboard, or a Toyota Hybrid that refuses to enter ready mode, even though the hybrid battery itself still has plenty of charge. Understanding this difference is one of the simplest ways to avoid an unnecessary breakdown and keep your Toyota Hybrid operating the way it was designed. This mistake usually doesn't happen because something is wrong with your Toyota Hybrid. Instead, it's caused by everyday habits that most owners never think twice about. Many people sit parked while listening to music, charging their phone, checking emails, watching videos on the infotainment screen, or simply waiting for someone. Others leave a dashcam or other electronic accessories running for an extended period. Since the vehicle appears to be on, it's easy to assume the hybrid battery is supplying the power. But if your Toyota Hybrid is still in accessory mode, that's not what's happening. Every accessory you're using, the radio, touchscreen, charging ports, interior electronics, and other electrical systems, is drawing power from the small 12-volt battery. The high-voltage hybrid battery isn't charging or supporting it because the hybrid system hasn't been activated. Doing this occasionally for a few minutes usually isn't a major problem. However, spending 20 to 45 minutes or even longer parked in accessory mode, especially if it becomes part of your daily routine, can gradually drain the 12-volt battery much faster than many owners expect. Once that battery becomes too weak, the symptoms can be confusing. Your Toyota Hybrid may refuse to enter ready mode, display unexpected warning lights, develop random electrical glitches, or even appear completely dead. Many owners immediately suspect a hybrid system failure, when in reality, the problem is often nothing more than a discharged 12-volt battery caused by spending too much time parked in the wrong mode. That's why understanding what happens while your Toyota Hybrid is parked is just as important as knowing how to drive it. A simple habit that seems harmless can eventually leave you stranded if it's repeated often enough. The good news is that avoiding this problem is simple. If you plan to remain parked for more than a few minutes, make sure the vehicle is in ready mode, not accessory mode. To do that, press the brake pedal while starting the vehicle and confirm that the ready indicator is illuminated on the instrument panel. Once the vehicle is in ready mode, the hybrid system is fully active and can manage the vehicle's electrical needs the way it was designed to. One of the biggest advantages of Toyota's hybrid system is that it automatically monitors the battery's state of charge. If the high-voltage battery begins to run low while you're parked, the gasoline engine will start on its own, recharge the hybrid battery, and then shut off again when it's no longer needed. This surprises many first-time hybrid owners, but it's completely normal. The engine may cycle on for a short time, turn off, and then restart later if necessary. That's simply the hybrid system keeping both the high-voltage battery and the vehicle's electrical system operating properly. So, if you're waiting for someone, using the air conditioning, or spending an extended period inside your Toyota Hybrid, ready mode is the correct and safest way to do it. It allows the hybrid system to automatically manage power instead of relying solely on the small 12-volt battery. While ready mode is the correct way to remain parked for an extended period, there's one important safety rule you should never ignore. Never leave your Toyota Hybrid in ready mode inside a closed garage or any enclosed space. Many owners assume the vehicle is safe because the engine is off when they first park. Since Toyota Hybrids often start silently on electric power, it can seem as though nothing is happening. That quiet operation can create a false sense of security, making it easy to forget that the hybrid system is still fully active. However, the hybrid system is designed to operate automatically. If the high-voltage battery needs to be recharged, the gasoline engine can start at any moment without any warning. That's a completely normal part of how the system maintains battery charge, even while the vehicle is sitting still. If this happens inside an enclosed garage or another poorly ventilated area, exhaust gases can quickly build up and create a dangerous situation. That's why you should never assume the engine will remain off simply because it isn't running when you first park. Ready mode should only be used when the vehicle is parked in a well-ventilated outdoor area. That allows the hybrid system to manage battery charging safely while protecting both the vehicle and everyone around it. If you've accidentally spent too much time parked in accessory mode, your Toyota Hybrid will usually give you several warning signs that the 12-volt battery has become too weak. The most obvious symptom is a vehicle that won't enter ready mode when you press the power button. You may also notice multiple warning lights appearing on the dashboard, flickering or dim infotainment screens, weak interior lighting, key fob issues, or random electrical glitches that seem to have no clear cause. In some cases, you'll hear clicking noises when trying to start the vehicle, but nothing else happens. These symptoms often lead owners to believe the hybrid battery or the entire hybrid system has failed. However, in many situations, the real problem is much simpler: a discharged 12-volt battery caused by leaving the vehicle in accessory mode for too long. The good news is that this is one of the easiest hybrid ownership mistakes to avoid. If you know you'll be sitting parked for more than a few minutes, always make sure the vehicle is in ready mode rather than accessory mode. That allows Toyota's hybrid system to automatically manage battery charging and keep the electrical system operating properly. Just remember to do this only in a well-ventilated outdoor area, since the gasoline engine can start automatically whenever the system needs to recharge the battery. Toyota hybrids have earned their reputation for exceptional reliability, but like any vehicle, they perform best when they're used the way they were designed. Simply understanding the difference between accessory mode and ready mode can help you avoid unnecessary battery problems, unexpected warning lights, and the inconvenience of a vehicle that won't start when you need it most.